So guys, just see this, how much money you can make by drop shipping. These are the number of orders that I've got in last 30 days, and this is the money that I have made. You can also make more money than this using drop shipping. But how you can do that? First of all, you need to have a website. For that, you can use Shopify. I've already listed Shopify tutorials on my YouTube channel, so you can go and watch them also. For in order to get starting with dropshipping, you can use a website called Spocket.co. On this website, you can discover top dropshipping suppliers of original US and EU products. Guys, over here you can have different types of integration. If you have Shopify website, then you can connect your Shopify website. You can also sell on Amazon using this Spocket.co website. Then they have integrations with AliExpress, eBay, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and whatnot. So almost they have integrations with all the platforms on which you can sell their products. So guys, over here under dropshipping, you can see what kind of categories they have. They have also the trending categories. Under these trending categories, you can see what all product categories are trending. So over here you have women's clothing, you have bath beauty, home garden, pets, tech accessories, toys, jewelries, and watches and all. So these are the trending categories. So under women's clothing, you can see what kind of clothes you can drop ship to the customers. So guys, if you see, it also shows from where it is shipping. So it's shipping from US over here. Then it also shows in how many days it is going to ship the product, and you can also see the amount of profit you can make. Now, friends, again, if you hover on this dropship over here, you can see the different kind of categories. So you can specifically target kids also by clicking on toys. Yes, friends, you can also sell toys from this website. So see how many products they have. They have many more products, friends. Trust me on their website. But you need to create an account first. Also to view many more products. Also, they have partnership with many suppliers. Now, let's talk about the pricing. In order to get started on their platform, these are the pricing. So they have yearly plan and monthly plan. So this is how their plan looks, and they also have the yearly plan. If you want to get started for free, then you can start their trial over here. They also have a trial, but you need to enter your card information, your debit or credit card information. Friends, trust me, you can make lot of money using this website by just starting the dropshipping business. And once you connect the platform with your website like Shopify website, then you can sell their products. You don't even need to maintain the physical inventory with you. All the things these guys will do whenever a order will come on your website, then the order will be synced on this platform also, and then the supplier will process the order. Then the order will be delivered to the customer, and once the customer pays the amount will come into your account. That's how simple it is, and you can make lot of money using this drop shipping technique. And this technique will help you to earn more than lakhs of rupees per month, and even for a day also, if you focus dedicatedly on drop shipping. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to use Pocket.co for starting with drop shipping. To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, code it, and also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.